ASD.
You know it ain't an add-in stream without some dropped frames. Hello. I forgot to change the title. Let's change it to gamedev. Terraria Hell. Then Minecraft updates play. Art. Yes? No? What is the... Yeah, alright. Where's the me? Hello? There it is. There it is, the little guy. Hello. Alright, let's start already with the game dev. Today the goal is to Today the goal is to add HP for both you and the enemies. And to make work. Okay, let me move myself around. I don't really want this song at the moment. It's a little bit too... Can I change the name? Can I rename you? Rename avatar. Let me move him in here. Make it big again. There it is. There it is. Awesome. Cool. Now, first of all, let's add. There are stats here. HP, max HP, all the whole thing. Now, what I want to add is a bar that displays how much HP you have. Let me lower this. By the way, this sounds like wrong or fine. Be sure to tell me, cause I never know this stuff. And if I turn the audio on the stream, it's gonna start like feedbacking. Okay, first of all, let's add a color rack.
Sounds good.
All right, cool. I want it to be here. Let's change your scale. Where is it? Layout, transform. Right. So I change it. No, that's why. X. X, I want to be like, I don't know, 200. That's a little bit too small. 500. Oh, 250. Maybe. Let's see. We'll see. Okay, now I want to move your ass like here. Yeah, is this right? Let's treat this way and for this way. Let me just... Boop. Cool. This is gonna be the health bar. HP bar. And I wanna duplicate this. And I think I wanna health bar back, and then I want to rename this a health bar. Health bar. Yes. Let's just make it a red. Make it a thick. Ooh, that's a nice little pink you got there. Okay, let's... You want to be here? Oh, weird.
Pika. Chew.
Yes. Real.
Pika Pika.
Yes. So true. Etc. This is 130. This is layout Transform 256 it should be.
Pika 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 pika
Yep.
pika 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 pika.
Yep.
Pardon.
Hello. Okay, now you, I want you to be like, let's pick the same color, but make it like darker and as such. Darker and like, yes, no, make it this, yeah, a little bit transparent. All right, now let's make the health bar a unique name. Cool. Now, I want to create a new function that's going to be...
Preciso estudar.
Alright, go study.
Mas now quero.
Alright, well... I missed the part where that's my problem. Let's make a function, display bars. Question mark? Does the question mark not work for the bar?
Ignorantian.
Ignorantian. That doesn't work. Wow.
Dollar.
That works.
Percent. End. Asterisk. At.
Alright. Display bars. I want the... Wait. No. Health. Fuck. Health bar. Let me do... camel case, but with like minuscule thing. Health bar.
Symbols.
Yes. Dot size.x. Dot size.x equals HP divided by max HP or max HP divided by HP. If I divide it by a big number, it's gonna have less. Okay, so it's stats HP divided by stats max HP times 256. And this should, like when I press this, it should like already do the thing. Oh, no, that's not right. Okay, strange. Did I change the scale? Nope, the scale is 1-1. Alright, weird. Oh, right, I'm never displaying bars. Okay. Display bars. Now it should work. Oh, well, the pivot. Why isn't a pivot in here? Weird. So it should be scale then. Okay, 256. And then the scale. I could put this here, and then the scale. No, unlink those. And then the scale X is gonna be this. Alright. Dot scale dot X. Times, don't need the times. There it is. Okay, now if I make it so, I don't know, every process delta I lose stats HP minus equal, I don't know, 1.0 times delta times 60. So I lose 1 HP per second. That's not 1 HP per second times delta. Yep. Okay. Now it's lowering. Cool. Awesome. We have HP. Now what I want to do is, yep, when the HP gets to 0, I want it to be like the maximum number between this and 0, because I want it to be like the weird negative bar glitch thing. Now, if stats HP. If the HP is smaller than or equal to 0, I want to restart the game. Get 3. Get 3. Is it 3? Dot get get 3 dot get scene. What? How? Godot restart scene. Exactly. Get 3 dot reload current scene. Of course. Reload current scene. Perfect. Let me just search on the Godot engine. No need. Anyway, if I go here and I just wait, it should eventually have a loose state now. Cool. Yeah. And I'll just... That's not restarting the current scene. That's adding more stuff to my inventory. Okay, I gotta make him aware. Where is the dev? Is it this one? No. Where is it? Is this one? Doesn't restart the inventory. So if I do hotbar dot inventory dot clear, would that work? Yeah, non-existent function clear. Okay, so that's not a thing. Let's do F1 inventory. Cool, that's not a thing. Inventory, no. What's this class? Hotbar. Scene. You should have an inventory. Export var inventory. 2. Inventory class name inventory. Clear stack cells. Try free position, free item of position, get item of position, get max count, matches entry filter, add to items array, try stack item, clear stack cells. Fill stack cells, place stack V, drop stack and stack, swap stacks, has cell view, has cell, count items, has items, consume items, get items order, get all free positions, get match, sort, compare size sort, compare position sort, load from array, load from this to array, save state, load state. Okay, apparently you can't clear the inventory, which is a big problem. So I suppose it's gonna be damn, Freddy got NAS though. Get rid of the current scene. So it's gonna be on kind of a hard mode for now. It's gonna be get tree.quit. So when you lose, the game just fucking crashes. And goodbye. All right. Well, you know, it works for now. Down, 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 chunk, down. All right. Down, down, down. Repeat post chance delay between items. I don't know what this means. Anyway. I'm not playing... No, I'm not playing Terraria. Why does it say I'm playing Terraria? I'm playing art. Huh? What is it, Terraria? Alright, well. Anyway. Now, type player. Test enemy. I want to create a bar stats for this guy. And the stat damage is gonna be equal to 5.0. Now, I want to create a node here. Node object collision shaped. Child entered tree. Child exiting tree. Input event, node child entered. Okay, but there is a thing. Okay, if position dot distance to chasing dot position is smaller than or equal to let's create a new stat called reach and let's make it 10.0, smaller than or equal to stats reach if damage in chasing, oh, not damage in chasing, if has caliber, what is this again? Has method, that's right. If you have method, if chasing dot has method damage take damage take underscore damage colon chasing dot call chasing dot take damage stats reach. No, not reach, stats damage. Now let's go to take damage, func take damage, amount equals 0.0. Stats HP minus equal amount. Now I want to have a timer for this guy because if I just do it like this, what's gonna happen is I'll get close to it and this guy's just gonna... What? How? Okay, well, I suppose we're not close enough. Then the reach needs to be... How large is your area 2D collision shape? Radius 600 pixels, that's alright. 70.04. Okay, let's do 64 for you. Alright. Reach, so it's gonna reach plus 64. Plus 64.0. And I was just gonna eat me up. Alright, never mind. Let me print. It's 128. Okay, so it's 128. Yeah, cause I have a circle around me. So now it should. Yep, it just fucking destroys me. All right. 128. Stats reach. Let's multiply this reach by 10. 10.0. Now I want a timer for this guy because I don't want this guy to do damage every single frame of the game. That's just like not fair and doesn't make sense for a melee guy. So what I'll do is I'll add a timer. But do I need this timer? Godot for 3 timer. Scene 3 timer. A one-shot timer managed by the scene tree, which means timeout and completion. Okay. Okay. That's pretty simple. Var cooldown equals false. Dun, 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Timer be referenced. The timer is processed after all the nodes in the current frame, i.e., node's node process method would be called before the timer. Signal timeout emitted when the timer reaches 0. Get tree.create timer 1.0 dot timeout. Oh wait, let me just create a cooldown function. Cooldown. Let's make it cooldown. The cooldown is gonna be 1 second. Now I can just I'll wait, and I want it to be stats. Let me tab out to Twitch. Stats cooldown. So it's gonna make a new timer, and the length of the timer is gonna be the cooldown variable, and when it finishes, it'll make cooldown equals true. Sorry, I mean cooldown equals false. And let's just make cooldown equals true in here. And let's do cooldown. Cool. This should work. If I come here. Boom. Okay. Well. All right. If cooldown, if not cooldown, and this guy, then you can do it. Awesome. Now you got damage working. Now I'm not a fan of like this like snap thing. Let me move the music down. Music overlay. I want to move you down. Let me move you back where you were. Make you a bit larger again. And move the avatar back here and move the violence GIF. Move the violence GIF here. Up here. Alright. Cool. What I want is, I want the thing to just be wrong, to be like more thing, you know. So let's make it minus this minus that. Those should cancel out. But then I multiply this by, is 0.5? It should be like 0.1, right? It's been a bit since I've done this movement, but it didn't. Yeah. Okay. I don't want 0.1 though. Yeah, look how snappy that is. Very, very satisfying. I moved the fucking violence GIF up there. Am I dumb? Am I stupid? I moved the violence GIF here to its side. It's here. It's gonna be. It's gonna be here, like a little bit. Fuck. You left the server? Did you crash? Did something happen? Or just leave? What is this? Holy shit, that's fucked up. Why is he doing that?
Nope, I just have a headache and am going to get water.
Alright. Go drink water. Okay, now I want to add regeneration. Regen equals, I don't know, 1.0. And I want to do a function, calculate health. This is going to be here. Calculate health. Yes. Now let's get tree.quit. Yes. If stats HP is smaller than max HP. Wait. Stats. No. Max HP. Stats. Ugh. HP plus equals stats equals min of stats HP plus regen plus stats regen comma max HP. Stats max HP. And I don't want this to be here. I want this to be times delta. And also I want delta here. Delta. Calculate health. Delta. Cool. Now. Boom. Okay, what's wrong? Stats HP. Oh, it's not underscore. It's just regular max HP. What the hell? Oh no, I'm dumb. I'm stupid. Okay, now the regions should be working. Yes, baby. Boom. Boom. We got a region. Bing bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Cool. Okay, then you can die. Now, what I want is a way for you to fucking end this guy's existence. Stats. You're asked to have an HP as well. HP is gonna be equal to 10.0 as well. Okay, cool. And now, if I set effect damage, fuck, take damage out, HP minus equals amount, and then if HP is smaller than or equal to Q free. Nope, Q free. Awesome. It's stats HP. Stats HP. If stats HP smaller than or equal to 0. Oops, sorry. Q free. Cool. Now I want basketball. If you hit something, I don't want you to print this anymore. Basketball. Weird, the basketball should have... Am I... What? Basketball? The TSCN, yes. Function click. Functions launch projectile code. Where's your processing? What? Oh, yeah, it's gotta be projectile. Of course, of course. Yes. Okay, so you want to hit player projectiles and enemies. Correcto. Now I want to see. I want to add a type to you. And your type, wait, var type is gonna be enemy. Enemy, not animal, enemy. Cool. Now, fuck. Yes. elif collision info dot get collider dot type is equal to enemy if stats in collision info dot get collider print Godot dictionary check if dictionary has key. Yes. Print collision info dot get collider dot stats dot stat dot has key, and the key is gonna be HP. That's it. Now it should be printed true. Okay, non-existent function. Okay, Godot 4. Godot 4. Check a dictionary has key. If key, check if a value or key exists in the dictionary. Dot has. Why did I do this? Okay, it's pretty true. Awesome, very cool. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Bam, 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 boom. Okay, now, if I want to do another if here, I want to know if it has the function. Where is it? If you have the method take damage, damage. Perfect. If collision info dot get collider has method take damage, take damage, stats damage. Export var damage equals, I don't know, 2.0 equals damage. Okay, should be working perfectly now. Boom. Yep. And it just does that, huh? Now I want to I want damage times the current velocity divided by 1,000 times current velocity times 1.0 is 1, 0.0 is 10, 100,000. Right. I don't like this Steam thing that keeps popping up. I want it to be to the power of yeah, I think power would be interesting. Power of this, and then I gotta add a comma in here. Boop. Of course, I wanna print this to know how much it is. Print. Yeah, but here's the thing, right? Let's print the current velocity only, so we can see it. Come here. Okay, so the current velocity times this very small number is already a thing. So it should be just to add another 0 here, right? Bum, 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 bum. But that doesn't seem to. Of course. No, wait. Let me check Desmos real quick. Desmos graphing calculator. Yep. X, y equals just x squared. Okay, so on 1, yeah, until 1, it... Alright, so I want the damage times this. So if it's moving very slowly, it'll do very little damage, and then it's this times this. Well, yeah. Okay, so functionally I want the y-axis to be the y-axis is damage, so damage is equal to velocity squared. Isn't that what I did pretty much? Where is it? Damage equals... Oh no, it's just... Okay. Damage times velocity squared. That should be better. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Velocity. Oh yeah, and of course I don't want to... Okay, velocity times 0.001, and then I want to do it... I want to like actually exponentiate it to a larger number. Okay, now that's better. Okay, so what I want is for it to be like exponent is 10, so it's a very high exponent. Oh, is this thing right? That shouldn't be. That shouldn't be that much damage. How much health do you have? You have 10 HP. Here's the thing. Oh, of course. It's because I didn't 3.0. Let's try and actually give you this much damage instead. Oh. Yeah, it's dealing like a very small amount of damage. Godot for truncate number. Round only rounds to the nearest decimal. Okay, so this is 2018. That's not Godot for 2022. Stepify. Var damage dealt equals, and then I want to stepify. Okay, step decimals. Step decimals is gonna be 0.01. 0.1. I expected a most what? Or stepify. Where'd you go? Stepify. Where the fuck is stepify? Where'd you go? Okay. Godot for Stepify. Snapped. Returns the veil of... Okay, so... Where? Okay. Snapped. Expected at least 2 but received 1. Comma 0.1. Let's do at most 0.1 damage. Now, of course, I want to print the damage dealt. Damage dealt. And I want to give the damage as damage dealt. Damage dealt. .6. Okay. Now, I want to bounce. I want to do a bouncy. Direction, yes, it's gonna remove this, and direction times equal projectile bounciness. Current velocity plus equals 100.0. Let's see if this works. Because I wanted to like plus equals 1000.0. That's probably not gonna be good. But hey, let's see. All right, cool. It's doing a bounce. So when it hits an enemy, it adds the current. It adds a little bit of current velocity. Awesome. Let's do a 500 instead of 1000. Come in. Oh, that's not right. Direction equals direction infinite bounce. Collision infinite again normal. Then normalized. Yeah, it's getting the normal. It's not adding to it or anything. It's just doing it. So I did a move in the direction of action times current velocity times delta times 60. Current velocity divided by equal and resistance. Okay, so this doesn't really matter to me. The current velocity. Weird. Was it just a one-time bug? They shouldn't be doing it. Against the suns. What's weird is that like it against the suns. Against the suns. Direction equals this. Direction is just gonna be equal this straight up. Because without damage. Godot crashed. Okay. Let's go back. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum-dum-dum. Let's check this out. Okay, well. Generic projectile. Direction equals direction dot bounced. The bounced, yes. So where is it? So what happened? Okay, so direction equals minus direction dot bounced. The bounce. Direction of the bounce times -1. Left the server. I'll tab back in. Why? So both regular direction and reversed just moved it to the same place. Dun, 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 dun. They'll put you. Where's the bots? Dude, let me fucking cheer. And what's a Streamlabs thing? Donate.
At Eden_universe, you can tip to Eden_universe using this link: https://streamelements.com/Eden_universe/tip. $HTTPS://www.pih.org/question mark form =sign P2P&fundraiser=sign SO WDAASN.
Okay, the bots should have woken up, awoken. Weird thing is, it just. Let me try doing the fucking actual velocity thing. Move and slide, velocity divided by 100. Let's see this. Let's see if this works. Move and collide, sorry. Okay, crashed again. Good though. Let's try again. Why? 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 Okay, now it worked. Now it's working. Cool. Sick. Okay, now all that I have to do to turn this into an actual game is to just make those guys spawn ever so often. So I just make them. Let's add some code. And let's make const test enemy source equals preload test enemy, or what is it called? Enemy? What? Oh, test enemy.cscn. Func physics process delta. Func ready. Summon enemy. Now function summon enemy. Boop. It's gonna be first step await timer. What's it called here? Yeah, let's just create this. We got you to create timer. Let's do 10.0 dot timeout. And var test enemy equals test enemy source dot instantiate. Effect dot player dot test enemy dot position dot global position dot x equals effect dot player dot global position dot x plus rand range minus 1000. And then same thing for the y. Add child test enemy. Let's do here time equals 10.0. Time that timeout. And then let's just time divided by equals 1.01. And then when all this is on, summon enemy. Okay, now it should just start summoning those guys near me. Here it is. Oops. Dun dun chick dun dun chick dun chum. That's 64, right? That's 100. Wait. Oop. All right. We have officially a game. It's not a very good game, but it is a game. Oops. And I'm dead. Okay, cool. So let's export you. Why not? Let's add Windows Desktop export path. Create folder. Stream game.exe. Well, binary format, texture format, code design, application. I don't know, I fucking export all resources. Yes. So export non-resources. No, export everything. .json. I can just do ras : / everything. Custom encryption Alright, well, the RC edit toolman is configured in the editor to change the icon and app information edit. Don't care. Let's export project. Game.exe. Game v 0.0.1.exe. 0.1a.exe. 1.0a.exe. 1.0 dev.exe. Let's hope this works. Could not start RC edited executable. Okay, but this doesn't really matter, right? Where is it? Stream game. If I press dev here, there we go. We got a little game for us. Okay, let me send that game. You know what? I'll go nuts. I'm gonna go nuts. I'm gonna make a third Discord server for the streams because I really don't like I really don't like using the find item server for this because like it's not really find item. Let's create my own for a club or community. Let's do for me and my friends for now. Add in stream pog, and then the image is gonna be that one photo of me pogging. Where is it? This one. That's pretty stretched, but alright. Okay, it's also sideways. Well, let's create an invite. Let me paste this Discord.
https://discord.gg/sabkdt6.
Add panel. Text or image panel. I want a text or image panel. Fuck, that's not what I meant. Remove. Panel title is gonna be this. It's gonna link to this. Remove. Yeah. Discord. Streams Discord. Fuck, no. Add, create. Is that it? Stream Discord. Okay, so this link doesn't fucking lead anywhere, dude. There's no image. Also, that's not even gonna work, right? Because it's gonna be deleted in a week. Okay, anyway, let me send it to you. Where are you? Okay. Let's add a channel. Game. Let's add it to game 1.0 dev.rar. Ooh, and etc. Okay, so now that we have close this, save this, and close Godot. Now that we have a worked game, let's play a real game that actually doesn't suck balls so far. Let's go to our Terraria mod pack. I am very... Oh, I accidentally closed Spotify. Did not mean to do that.
Walter. Put your dick away, Walter.
No,
I'm not having sex with you right now, Walter.
Thanks, Streamlabs. Very cool. Anyway. Condensation. And let's get to... Let's open ourselves Steam Loader. Alright. So I got sad news. Can I do slash moment? Because I know Northern can do it. No slash moment. Oh no, slash marker. As a stream marker, the current timestamp. Awesome. Marker game dev. I will test. Have fun. It's not really it's not really much of a game at the moment. But